In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install BackTrack R R35. BackTrack was a Linux distribution that focused on security based on the Knoppix Linux distribution aimed at digital forensics and penetration testing use. In March 2013, the offensive security team rebuilt BackTrack around the Debian distribution and released it under the name of Linux. So let us begin the process of the installation. Firstly, open the RAR file, then extract its content to the destination chosen. Click replace the file in the destination if prompted. And after that, we need to burn this ISO file in USB stick or DVD. All you have to do is to install refuse to do it, so I will let you the link in the description. So after that done, now let's go to the second step, that is follow the installation step on screen. So see you on screen. Now it's loading. So here we faced a problem, is that system information disabled due to load higher than 8.0. So to fix this problem, all you have to do is to type apt get install and hit enter. Then click on typing start X, then enter. So here click on Install BackTrack, double click on it. So after the installation is complete, all you have to do is to remove your USB stick if you are using USB stick, or remove your DVD if you are using DVD for installation of BackTrack, and reboot your computer. If you have one operating system, install it in your computer. You will be the backtrack operating system will will boot automatically. But if you have an existing operating system, you will be prompted to select which operating system you want to boot from. And if you want to boot from backtrack, all you have to do is to select backtrack from the menu. So that's the end of the video. If you like it, hit the like button, and also don't hesitate to post a comment. I will be happy to reply. And also don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial like this. Hope you are doing well, guys. See you soon on the next tutorial. Bye.